Cutting juice grooves into cutting boards doesn't have to suck. The Crafted Elements fully adjustable juice groove jig works with any common router to make creating juice grooves in cutting boards or decorative lines in cabinet door panels a breeze. Capable of expanding from 16 by 8 up to 26.5 by 18.5 in size, it's crafted out of precision laser cut half-inch clear acrylic for unmatched visibility during use. The simple yet practical design features adjustment channels with commercial grade 6mm threaded set screws and M6 tightening knobs to make changing the size of the jig a seamless operation. Once you've placed your workpiece in offset wood spacers, square up and tighten the jig, then clamp it down to your workbench or T-track table. Then grab your router with a rounded bit and drag it around the inside perimeter of the jig, keeping contact with the inner walls. The whole process takes just minutes and greatly reduces the chance for errors or having to mess around with homemade solutions. The Crafted Elements Juice Groove Jig is a must-have item if you want to make rectangular grooves in cutting boards, cabinet doors, or other woodcraft. Get yours now at craftedelements.com.